The 5 Keys to Love and Relationship. Finding that balance with your partner.
Ooh, you gotta be. Ooh, you gotta be. Compatible. Love and relationships. Love who you make. Love and relationships. Love who you make. Girl, gotta make you mine. Cause you're so fine. Gotta make you mine. Girl, I wanna spend some time, yeah. Oh, wow, baby, this is a really nice restaurant. Thanks for taking me out tonight.
You're welcome.
This is really nice. The scenery is just really nice. Ooh-wee. Ow.
What you mean, ooh-wee? I saw you looking at that lady. I know I gained a little weight, but that don't mean you have to disrespect me. What do you have to say for yourself?
Well, you ain't have to hit me in my eye.
The 5 Keys to Love and Relationship. Finding that balance with your partner. Preface. Introduction. Why compatibility really does matter. The 5 Keys to Love and Relationships. Middle key. The importance of a middle connection and effective communication. Spiritual key. A spiritual connection to unite you together forever. Physical key. Why beauty is important in the eyes of the beholder. Sexual key. The necessity of being sexually satisfied. Financial key. No romance without finance and why it matters. The scales. How to rate your mate in all 5 keys. Conclusion. Moving forward as a connected couple for happiness and long-term success. Divorce in our country is at an all-time high, and it's due to several different factors. This is due in large part to a serious lack of values, as well as a lack of understanding of the true meaning of commitment, loyalty, responsibility, and compatibility. It takes 2 people who are willing to work together to sustain a united relationship. A relationship is a commitment made between 2 people who want to care for and support each other and work to fulfill their shared goals and objectives. This book will walk you through the 5 keys of a relationship and help you make better choices before you find yourself in a bad relationship that is sinking. Once you understand these keys to a happy relationship, you will see the true commitment that must be present. It's all about having the 5 keys because this plays a very important role in all relationships. To get the best success in your relationships, you'll need to get these keys, which I'm going to explain to you further in the book. A relationship that is united by compatibility and love will endure the test of time. These are the 2 key elements of a successful relationship and will always matter when it comes to longevity and happiness. This presentation is for all the people that are tired of going from person to person, from one dating scene to the next, to clubs meeting people, only to find out later on that you're not really compatible. I can give you some personal examples from my own life. When I was younger, I was really trying to find someone that would be right for me. To be honest, I really wasn't educated as far as what I truly wanted and why it mattered. So I was basically just going on my instant human instinct on physical attraction, just looking at each person in purely a physical way. I wasn't looking at the whole spectrum of what I wanted in a woman because I didn't even know what that was at the time. So I found myself making the same mistakes time and time again, losing time, losing money, losing sleep. I was stressed out in situations when we have arguments or disagreements and don't really understand why we were having difficulties in our relationship. But it all boils back down to not being compatible. This compatibility and the other keys are what will ultimately lead you to true relationship happiness. And I will show you how it all works together in harmony. So let's get started and uncover the keys to true and lasting relationship happiness.
To order the full version of this CD, go to www.keystoTrueLove.com or you can call 404-438-1587. Thank you for supporting Checkmate Records.